Hey, welcome to Learn Programming with Kotlin for Beginners. Technology is moving very quickly and there are disruptions across all domains. Industries are going through a major transition and we are in the midst of a data revolution. If you are watching this, it basically means that you are now connected to the rest of the world and you have access to all the information that everyone else has. My aim here is to introduce programming to you and create an interest that will motivate you to learn more. We'll go through the fundamentals of programming and see how we can find real-world problems and apply these principles to solve them. If you're not 100% sure whether you want to learn programming and if this is the right path for you, here are 5 reasons that may help you decide. Technology is all around you and there is no stopping it. Every day, different aspects of our lives are being digitized. You're interacting with tools and applications to get your job done more than ever before. Learn to program and you can be a part of building this change, and the chances are that you will be paid very well for it. Getting a tech job no longer needs you to have a 4-year degree from a college. All you need is a will to learn new things and a passion to solve problems. There are thousands of free and paid courses online that can give you all that you need to create a strong portfolio of work and prepare for a tech interview. Coronavirus has acted as a catalyst in transforming the way companies look at work and workforce. They have had to change the way they work due to lockdowns. They have realized that people don't need to come into the office and sit in a 4x4 cubicle to be effective. They can be just as effective working from home and in many cases happier and more productive. This has also meant that companies can look all around the world to hire talented individuals irrespective of the geography. Programming can help improve your logical, analytical, and problem-solving skills just as much as your creativity. Once you start programming, problems are merely solutions that you have not yet figured out. You automatically break them down into smaller tasks and implement strategies that you have developed. And the best part is that it seeps out into your life. You start looking at obstacles as problems that need to be broken down and solved. Programming is a fantastic creative outlet. If you have an idea that can be digitized, you can create it as soon as you learn the tools to create it with. You don't need to explain it to someone else and ask them to make it for you. Jump in and do it yourself. Who best to implement your idea but you? It gives you a certain level of freedom and confidence that if you were to lose your job in one domain, you can easily move to another. In fact, you could just create something on your own and start a new business. You carry your power within you. All you need is a computer and you're back in business. Most importantly, it sets you on a path of continuous learning, which I think is the biggest skill you can learn in today's world to move ahead and stay relevant. I've chosen Kotlin as my choice of language because that is what I use currently at work, and I think it's going to be around for a while. It is being actively worked upon and is being slowly accepted by the industry as a potential language to be used in web development, application development, and also data science. But to be honest, the language doesn't matter. Once you've learned one language, picking up another is relatively simple. You do not need any kind of programming background to follow this series. We'll be starting from scratch and slowly build up our knowledge in algorithms, data structures, and computer languages. We will also look at some common patterns that are frequently used while programming. With that said, let's start our journey in the next video.